We are Team Browsable, focusing on tech for good and AI for all. The web wasn't designed with neurodivergence in mind, so we redesigned it. Meet Browsable, your personalized accessibility assistant. Browsable comes as an extension where the user can sign up and also select if they need a caregiver or not. If the user selects that they need a caregiver, then they wouldn't be able to input controls. These would be done by the caregiver. Once the user is logged in, they can select the mode that they want the extension to be in based on their disorder. Currently, we are focusing on these four modes, which is ADHD, autism, blind, and sensory processing disorder. They can also select features, which would then be passed as strict instructions to our extension to follow these while simplifying and restructuring the page. So, taking an example of the Wiki Asia page, uh, we can see that this overlay is created based on the response from Gemini. On the top, we have the return to original page button, which can help the user navigate back to the original page. Since the user is autistic, we are giving a small summary of the content on the page as well as a page context in if in case the user is not able to comprehend the summary. At the bottom, we have the important links to keep the page navigable. Uh, and these are only the top 5 relevant links to keep it simple and comprehensible. So this was an example of a user with autism. Next, another feature that we have is for blind or visually impaired users. This same overlay would be will be synthesized into speech for visually impaired or blind users. So as we can see, we have logged in to a blind user's account, and once we refresh this page, it will again analyze the content and repeat the process to give us the overlay as well as the text to speech conversion.
Asia. Banned. Wikipedia. This section contains a table of contents for the Asia.
So since this user was in the blind mode, we can see that the entire page is being read out for them. Because we understand that some neurodiverse users have limited functionality and require caregivers, we have also created a caregiver dashboard where the caregiver can manage multiple users and define their modes and settings. So as we can see, this caregiver has one user to manage. Once they click on the user's profile, they can select the modes, that is the disorder for the user, and also any strict instructions like only sticking to summarizing the page or simplifying the UI. These would be then applied to the user's profile. This caregiver dashboard also provides the feature for generating daily tasks or activities which can help the user while also uh, giving resources which will help them perform these activities. These insights are based on the user's disorder as well as any strict instructions provided by the caregiver. So this was all of our functionality. We believe accessibility should be invisible because when it works, users don't notice it, they feel it. That's what Browsable delivers. Thank you.